Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're looking at the best Yonique swimsuit for women. The Yonique Women 2-piece bathing suit push-up bikini set halter swimsuit. If you're shopping for that perfect combination of vintage charm and modern support, you've landed on the right video. So let's dive in. The Yonique 2-piece bikini set stands out immediately with its striking balance of cuteness, support, and style. Starting off, this swimsuit features a triangle bikini top paired with V-cut bikini bottoms. The silhouette it creates is both flattering and fashionable, offering a classic aesthetic that works great on a wide range of body types. The halter top enhances the bust while the V-cut bottom adds a youthful edge to the overall look. But it's not just about looks. Let's talk support. The top includes a non-removable padded push-up bra, giving your shape that extra lift without the hassle of constantly adjusting inserts. The clasp hook closure in the back keeps the top secure, and the wide straps offer comfort without digging into the skin. Whether you're swimming, lounging, or walking by the beach, everything stays in place. It's the kind of design that shows Yonique has truly considered both style and practicality. As for the fabric, it's made from a blend of 85% nylon and 15% spandex. What does that mean for you? A soft, breathable feel that dries quickly and retains elasticity, perfect for long days at the pool or beach. The fabric feels high quality right out of the box and is surprisingly durable. Lightweight and flexible, it allows for ease of movement without clinging too tightly or losing shape over time. This bikini also excels when it comes to versatility. It's ideal for everything from tropical vacations to summer pool parties, honeymoons, or even gifting during the holidays. Its vintage charm is universally appealing, whether you're a teenager or an adult looking for a timeless piece with a modern twist. Now let's talk about sizing and colors. The product is available in multiple sizes and offers a clear, helpful size chart so you can pick what's right for you. And with color options like classic black and other seasonal tones, there's a version of this bikini that'll match your personal style. Whether you prefer something understated or bold, one more thing to love is the packaging. It comes neatly folded in a compact box, measuring around 10.75 by 8.74 inches and weighing just under 5 ounces. It's easy to carry, lightweight for travel, and fits perfectly in your beach bag. To wrap it up, the Yonique Women 2-piece push-up bikini set is more than just a cute swimsuit. It's a thoughtfully designed piece that delivers comfort, style, and confidence at an accessible price point. Whether you're headed to the beach or pool, or just lounging in the sun, this bikini is a reliable go-to. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite swimsuit brands. See you in the next review.